Old School Balisong here. Got another unboxing. This thing showed up yesterday, but it didn't show up until after I went to bed. So it's fun for me to wake up and be able to do an unboxing for y'all. And first thing in the morning, it's a great way to start the day. Anyway, this is the project that Indiana John offered me. I just simply mentioned in a post that he was on my list of makers that I wanted a knife from. He reached out and offered me this, and it's the first one he's made, and how do you say no to that? Now, I have been very lucky. He is the third maker who has taken me along the journey and the whole process from cutting out the handles to the blade material. It was just a whole part of the whole process. And that's fun, I gotta tell you, when you get a maker that does that. It just makes you feel like you're part of the knife. Right here. I got candy. Not gonna show you yet. Okay, so we are going to go over this one first. This is the first channel Indiana John has ever made. Now, he was supposed to ship this out earlier, and I wasn't getting irritated, but I was wondering why he hadn't shipped it out. Well, the turkey was making custom sheaths for these knives. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna shut up about the sheath. Wow, John. Holy moly, okay. That, yeah, that just shut me right up, didn't it? Wow. Wow, okay. I'm gonna stop staring now. This is number 1 of the channel Old Tech knife. Yep, number 1. I gotta tell you, this is, oh my. Okay, I'm not gonna flip this because I'm gonna do a whole different review. That is smooth. My gosh, John, wow. Okay, I'm just gonna, wow, that's pretty much sums it up. Okay, the other one. Now, he posted this a while back, and I saw it. I asked him if he'd ever consider selling it. I think his first gut reaction was no. And went back and forth, and I convinced him that this is going to be his forever home, and it's going to be a pinnacle part of my collection. And wow, I like this sheath. This is a hand-forged titanium Balisong. Yeah, it's rough, but that's the beauty of it. So he literally heat, hammer, anvil, and made these channel handles. Y'all see that? That is handmade, people. And before he shipped it to me, he made these pins of copper. Wow, okay. So I'm going to stop the unboxing video and do some flipperooing. I mean, this thing is okay. I didn't realize I was going to be that speechless over this one. Wow, how fun is this? Okay, old school Balisong. Let's cut ourselves. I mean, flip. Y'all take care.